In this tutorial, I'm going to be painting Snowdrops, the plant, and I'm going to focus on two things primarily in this study. One is I want to have a really simple palette, which I'll go over in a second. The other is that I'm going to really focus on the bold, painterly application of paint. And like with all my tutorials, what I really want to convey is how I'm thinking as I paint this painting. I'm going to start with sap green. I'm going to put a strand of that across the top here. And under that, I'm going to put my manganese violet. So here I've got my transparent iron oxide red. Okay, this color right here. And then underneath, I've just got my cobalt blue. See, I'm just piecing it together. I'm just simplifying what I see, staying patient, moving slow, and being okay with the fact that it's got to go through this stage, this first pass. You know, it's not like I just touch the canvas with the brush and it's final. I'm going to be able to make a much better decision about how to improve this after I say something about this. Okay, the more that I've got down on the canvas, the more friendly voices I'm going to have that are going to be informing me. You know, this is going to inform me about this. This is going to say something about this. Everything's going to help me gauge a better option. So if you've watched me paint any other subjects, you've noticed that my technique is really similar here, right? It's not like I'm working in a completely different way to do this. There might be certain brushes or methods that maybe work a little better for something complicated like this, certain approaches or mindsets, but for really the most part, it is the same mindset and the same process and technique, right? Whether it's a hand or flowers or a sky, you know, there's a lot of similarities. And yeah, there are differences depending on the subject, but it's not like there's a secret to painting, you know, this complicated grassy stuff versus clouds versus figures, right?